We are going to set the set points on an adjustable deadband L or G series switch. For this example, we're going to use a G series switch. The difference between the L series and the G series is simply the enclosure. The G series is 316 stainless steel. The L series is die-cast aluminum. The first step is to remove the cover of the switch and connect the leads of the micro switch. The white wire goes on the common contact. The blue wire goes on the normally open contact. The red wire goes on the normally closed contact. This first step in calibration is to exercise the switch. We're going to do this 3 times. We start at 0 pressure and increase to the full range of the switch. This switch is a 100 psi switch, so we're going to take it to 100 psi. The switch will activate at some point during this, and then we're going to take it back to 0 all the way. We would repeat 3 times. The L and G series switches have set point scales. It's good to use those scales as a starting point. In the case of this switch, we're going to adjust it to activate or set at 80 psi and deactivate or reset at 20 psi. The best thing is to set the switch just outside of that, so that when we're setting it, we will bring them into those operations. To do that, I'm going to turn clockwise on the set point adjuster, which is the B adjustment knob. We would start by turning it a little bit off or increasing it so it's just outside the range. The A adjuster is the reset point. We're going to do the same thing on that, turning counterclockwise. Now we will take the switch pressure to our target pressure of 80 psi and hold it there. We would hold it at 80 psi. Now we would use the B-side adjuster to set the switch to turn on. As you can see, the red light is still on, which means that the normally closed contact is closed. When we turn it on, the normally closed contact will open and the normally open contact closes and the light will turn to green. We're going to do this by turning counterclockwise on the B adjuster, which is lowering the set point until the switch turns on at 80. The switch activated at 80. Now we will go and set the reset point of the switch. We're going to lower the pressure down to 20 and hold it there. I have previously set this switch so it will not reset before 20. We will hold it at 20, and now we will go clockwise on the ACE adjuster, increasing that side so that the switch will turn off or reset at 20. The light will turn back to red, which it has done. Now to verify the set points, we will again measure them. We will do that by taking the pressure back to 0 and then increasing until the switch turns on, which we know should be at 80. So I'll bring the pressure up to just before 80 and slow it down and measure the point at which the switch turns on. It turned on just past 80. It's very, very close to being set exactly. And now we'll measure the reset by lowering it down to just before 20 and then measuring the point at which it resets. And that is just above 20. You can go back and make fine adjustments at this point to get it exactly where you'd like to be. So now we would repeat this measurement 3 times to make sure that we have set the switch correctly. But that's how you would adjust the switch. For set points on vacuum range switches, it is best to think of the set point as a negative pressure. So an increasing vacuum set point is a decreasing pressure set point, and a decreasing vacuum set point is an increasing pressure set point.